Hi, my name is Solmaz Tagavi with Tagavi Immigration Law. Today I'm going to talk about master calendar hearings. What is a master calendar hearing? A master calendar hearing is a short preliminary hearing in immigration court where the immigration judge, the DHS attorney, and you, hopefully with your attorney, will decide how your case will proceed. The immigration judge will give a due date for submissions of documents and evidence, and they may even set your individual hearing, which is your final hearing where the judge will decide how your case is determined, if you win or lose. If you have an attorney, your attorney will be answering most of the questions for you. The court will not consider any legal claims at your master calendar hearing and will not make any final decisions. Because of COVID-19, there may be special protocols at your master calendar hearing. You may be required to wear a mask, respect social distancing, or maybe even appear telephonically. These days, immigration attorneys are filing things by written submission, so we don't even have to appear at the master calendar hearing date. What are 5 ways to prepare for your master calendar hearing? First, know the date and make sure you attend. If you have your notice to appear, you can see at the very bottom the place, date, and time of where your first master calendar hearing will be. If you're not sure, you can also call the EOIR hotline by phone, or you can check online. We'll link it below for you. 2, dress appropriately. Wear something clean, nice, and conservative. 3, be on time. Make sure you avoid any traffic, you don't have anything with you that will keep you turned away from getting into the court, like a cell phone. 4, know the local immigration rules. Make sure you know if there's COVID protocols that you need to take, or if you need to bring certain documentation to the hearing. 5, be prepared to stay a while. Although you'll go before the immigration judge for anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes, which is very short, you will be waiting for your hearing for at least several hours. What happens at a master calendar hearing? At a master calendar hearing, they will establish what's your language of preference. You have a right to be heard and understand in your native language. They will then ensure that you have the appropriate interpreter for that hearing and for your final hearing, most importantly. There'll be a brief confirmation of your identity, your country of nationality, again, what language you speak, and usually if your case has any dependents. So for example, if you have minor children. A basic rule is at the first master calendar, you need to bring everyone on your case, including the minor children who may have entered the country with you. However, afterwards, it's very unlikely that your children need to come to the court hearing. It's only if they're going to be testifying in the final hearing, and usually they have to be at least around 14 years of age to testify, but it's by a case-by-case basis. So if you have an attorney, talk to them about whether you need to bring your children. But for the most part, you won't be bringing minor children. At the immigration hearing, the master calendar, they will discuss the charges against you. So in your notice to appear, they have civil charges against you about why you shouldn't be or don't have the proper documents to enter the country or to stay in the country. And then you will answer the charges. You will admit them or you'll deny them. You can also raise your defense at the master calendar hearing. So for example, if you're applying for asylum, you could then raise your defense. You can also ask for a continuance because you need some time to file that claim or because you need some time to hire an attorney. The last thing that you'll do at the master calendar hearing is decide when you will meet next. So the immigration judge will either schedule another master calendar hearing and give due dates before or after, or they may go ahead and schedule that individual or final hearing date. My name is Solmaz Tagavi with Tagavi Immigration Law, and this video was all about master calendar hearings. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to schedule a free immigration screening with us, it's linked below, or you can visit our website at tilimmigration.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below.